यहाँ बाटोमा चाहिँ मैले मेरो दाजुहरूलाई भेटेँ होइन दाजुलाई यो चाहिँ म यो दाजु चाहिँ यो चाहिँ मेरो भाउजू हो खाना खाँदो रहेछ यो चाहिँ म हो अन्त म चाहिँ गाउँको अब तपाईँलाई बाटोमा भेटौँ बाई Will it catch my voice? Hello friends, we are out today. Today we are going to Triveni. Triveni is a camping site plus rafting site. So hoping to have fun out there with my brother Sailesh, whom I cannot show because he's sitting behind me, brothers. And right now we are in Siliguri army camp area. We will soon be crossing the Bengal safari, which will probably be on the left side just within a few seconds. Our plan is to camp in Triveni, which is around 2 hours distance from Siliguri. And here on the left lies Bengal Safari Park. But that's not our destination today. Today we are going to Triveni. We expect to reach before sunset so that we can catch some nice photos out there. Because on the river side we need photos, obviously. Photos are a must. So our aim is to ride fast now. So I'll do less talking and more of the riding right now. It was not going. Why? Now it's going.
Morning, my brother was saying something was happening. Arey baap re. Now what to do?
Oil is there, no?
Yeah, full oil system.
Do you have reserve system?
No.
No reserve, no. Sit to. Oi. Some smell is coming, mustard.
Few moments later.
Hello friends, so we are here.
Yeah, started.
Our scooty isn't working. It may seem it's running, but it's not running because we are going downstream down the hill right now. So it may seem it is working. The scooty is not running on. It has petrol. We just before the trip we had 200 rupees of petrol inside the scooter. Now we cannot figure out what's the problem. Wait, the one, what is this?
Petrol pump. I'll ask over there. It will go now.
Maybe that hawa wala gari can. Salu, one hawa wala gari is there. That hawa bharne wala. Come to let's go to. What to do?
Your signal. This was my number. You saved my mother's number.
First call and see solution we need now. What will your mother do after?
What don't know what to do now. के भयो आउँदा आउँदा अचानक केही छैन.
Let's go Siliguri first.
Now
Let's go back to Siliguri.
trip cancel.
No, Siliguri will fix it. No, first. Okay. So we are at a repair shop now, fixing the scooty.
Very bad start for the journey.
We obviously had a very bad start to the journey, but as we go front, depends on if our scooty is fixed right now. Sailesh's scooty, you can see. We don't know the cause yet, what has happened, but let's see what goes on and what goes not. It wasn't accelerating at all, but we hope for some acceleration. Sailesh is very distressed right now. Hey friends, so we have restarted our journey. in my brand new Glamour 125cc, bro. It has got 125cc of horsepower, 2 brakes, 2 handles, 2 mirrors. That's all you need. And Sailesh's brother had come to pick his earlier scooty, and that's with him. He will get the scooty serviced, and if any discrepancies are found, he will fix it. For the timing, we are heading towards our journey back from square one towards.
We have hardly how many hours left?
We have actually 1.5 hours till sunset, and we intend to reach there before sunset, but let's see if we can reach well and good. Otherwise we don't care, but we are going Triveni. Mushkil waqt glamour saath.
How much oil you have?
All I have, don't worry, it will go in reserve. Okay, bike will stop working, then I'll put my bike on reserve. Another 45 kilometers I'll get. Let me see if reserve is on, matlab. With our scooty when it gave up, and we had to go back. Now we are again heading towards this direction. So we were here at 3 p.m. and we are here now at.
Now we have lost exactly 1.5 hours.
Yes, that's a lot. The sun is already setting. So on the left is the Sevok station. A tunnel is being built here, Sevok Rangpur railway line project. That's nice. Okay, we can see a little landslide happening here. Don't know when it had happened, but it has happened.
Where are we now?
So we have just crossed Kalijhora Dam, and right now we are at a bridge.
This bridge is shaking, right?
Yes, this bridge is shaking.
16 kilometers. Full dark and nothing can be seen.
It became so dark, no? We thought
So
that
finally, not that Sasala, we came from here. Going, we'll go back to Siliguri now. There's nearly 15 kilometers left now. And we are just half the way. हामी चाहिँ बल्ल आइपुग्यो यहाँ टेन्ट भित्र पस्यो हामी अन्त यहाँनिर एकदमै पुरा टेन्टहरू लागिरहेको रहेछ हो तपाईहरुलाई देखाउँछु म सबैजनाको टेन्टहरू लाग्छ यहाँनिर हो अनि सो दिस इज आवर टेन्ट फर टुडे वी विल स्लीप हियर अनि दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स फ्रम इनसाइड सो दिस इज आवर टेन्ट
It's interesting, quite interesting.
हाउ डु यु फिल
But I guess it's very small for 2 people out here. So they were even saying that it's big enough for 3 people, but I'm sure it's not.
We will sleep. It's a small tent, the height of this much. How much centimeters?
This is not even a meter. It's quite small. They have provided 2 pillows and they have provided 2 blankets, and this is the mattress. I guess it's okay. There we have the padding out here. This is also an extra protective layer. I don't know, maybe for strong winds and all, but the height is too less. So you can see his hair is getting stuck. So that's the entire space.
That's it for today. See you tomorrow morning.
Okay.
So good morning everyone. Today it's new good morning from Teesta. This is how the tents are looking. All the people are sleeping over here.
It's around 8:30 in the morning. So the first thought, Salesh, what do you want to say?
When it looks, it was a wonderful night.
Yes.
And you can see what happened over here due to all the wind.
They have the beautiful river out here.
Where is the
The
Triveni?
Teesta river.
Actual Triveni.
actual
three
Triveni.
separation of three rivers. That side.
Maybe. How did you sleep last night, brother?
I slept in a deep sleep
You were in deep sleep.
right near the.
And how was the barbecue last night you had? Which
It was awesome.
the video of which I couldn't show my friends because it was too dark out here. They also have those rafting. You can see there. All those rafting. If budget persists and lets us, then we might do the rafting today. So the rafting is around 7.7 kilometer stretch. We are going right now going uphill, and it will take around 45 minutes as they're saying. So, and they'll be charging, I guess, 2,500
For a boat.
Yes, we have to bargain a little bit, but that's okay.
We freshened up near the banks of Teesta, had some breakfast, and after enjoying this wonderful view,
Rafting गर्ने जग्गा चाहिँ अगाडि छ.
Rafting?
and then it was time for river rafting.
Sir, they're not funny. We'll say, we'll speak later.
Nice, right?
Few moments later.
Okay guys, so we are here. It's a very isolated and desolated place. We are rafting. No one is here. They have actually duped us into telling that we are rafting, but this is actually not rafting. We don't have anything in our hands. The power is with them. So cannot tell this is actually a rafting session. This is a simple boating session, I would say. Sailesh, do you want to share your thoughts on anything happening out here?
Very disappointed with the rafting experience. We thought it would be an adventurous ride, but it's like a kid's boat.
Okay guys, so rafting is done and we are heading towards our point from where we had started our rafting, in fact. And after that we'll be packing our bags and heading towards home. But look at this old vehicle out here. Okay friends, so we are heading home. We have just started our trip back towards home. We just completed our rafting, or whatever you call it, boating, just 30 minutes ago. I wouldn't say the boating experience was that good because they had actually told us that we would be doing rafting. It would take 1.5 hours and 7 kilometers and all that shit, but then they duped us of our money. It was only a short trip of 10-15 minutes where we didn't even have the champu in our hands. So what do you call it, rafting or boating? We could have done boating, which would cost us 500 each, but instead we had to pay an overall of 2,000 rupees for both persons. So I guess they were successful in duping us in doing boating rather than rafting. So this is one bad thing of this place. So keep this in mind whenever you come next time. As we have the Teesta on the left side, a beautiful Teesta, we are heading home.
Finally, we have reached home, and
And what to say? And
if you liked, it was a tiring journey, but we enjoyed it.
yeah, it was enjoyable.
Orsala, dangerous.
So with that, our trip came to an end. It had many ups and downs, but still, it was a memorable journey. And as we say, all's well that ends well. So if you liked our video, then do hit that like button, share, subscribe, and see you in the next vlog.